Hello friends, my name is Josna Sarude. I am pursuing my MBA from Stars Institute of Management and Studies. Today my topic is a business plan for the subject entrepreneurship management. My brand name is the Raymond Shop. Company profile. My company name is the Raymond Shop. Structure, ownership, location, Boisar. This is the contact numbers and email ID. And name of the founder, it's me. Activity, ready made garments. Vision, we strive to be a global leaders in fashion knit and fashion outerwear by empowering innovations and design to provide total customer satisfaction. And my company mission is to innovate, to lead, to enhance, to provide best value product and service to global customer. Raymond Retail Showroom. Raymond is one of the most popular and appreciated brand in the suiting cloth industry. Most textile industry are located in Boisar. The retail showroom houses other famous ready-made brands like Perk, Avenue, Perks, Color Plus, etc. Lots of Raymond retail outlets are successfully running in India. The investment required is a typically an 30 to 50 lakhs, which include the cost of interior designing, furniture and fixture, and investment in the goods. Space requirement range 5,000 square feet on the ground floor with the strong emphasis on a commercial variable locations. A return of investment is about 20% and payback period is a typically 3 to 5 years. Focus more on stock turnover rather than simple sales and inventory management. My past analysis is the first is a politically. The government has announced the release of a subsidy of INR 2687 billion for the textile industry, removal of a trade related tariff and non tariff barriers. Second, economic. Indian textile industry contributes about 14% to industrial production, 4% to the country gross domestic product, and 16.63% to export earnings. Third is a social. Along with that, Raymond market segment of a upper middle class and high class segment is also grow due to higher disposal income. Technology. Online shopping is available through social media and other available in website. Marketing can be done on different social media platform, mobile applications and shopping sites. SWOT analysis. First is a strength. Strong R&D for production innovation like a dress, shirt, shirting, jeans, wear, tailored clothing, loyalty of customer and high product quality, loyalty of employee due to decentralizations. Weakness, global penetration is limited as compared to other international brands. Switching cost is low for customers since Indian and international firms offers large of a customer opportunity. Global expansion would give more opportunity for a brand to grow. Threats, increased competition in domestic mix due to large number of formal wear brands coming up. Increase in social and ecological awareness. Company will be a constant pressure to follow labor laws and environmental laws. Thank you.